you can see, we're about to, we just ended the Bokporokos parade kaninang umaga sa may, started in sa Mississippi, and we just ended the parade here at Luneta Grandstand. And now, so can you witness, marami po yung nag-participate dito sa event na to. And if I'm not mistaken, proceed siya na mapupunta dito sa Wangpor side program. And dito rin ito ng most ng mga Lions members and most ng mga Lions from different around the globe. From Europe, Asia, Australia. And dito marami pa lang yung program ngayon and different organizations are here. From Philippine Medical Society and mas talaga may few. Okay, so we're gonna interview some Layos here and we will ask them about what they say about the program. Ikaw, ba't yan nandito ngayon? Ba't yan nandito?
Support.
Okay.
Support.
Any message for the Philippine country? Any message from the Philippines? You're now live at CNN.
Go for the goal.
Para mamali natin.
Leader change.
O, ikaw naman, sabi mo. Yes, sir.
Leader change.
May papakunin natin yung mga lobo, papamigay sa mga bata.
Yung tita ni Joseph.